Hello guys, welcome to our channel. The question is find the value of x. Question 9 to the power x plus 15 to the power x equals to 25 to the power x. So let's see. Dividing both sides with 9 to the power x. Then 9 to the power x by 9 to the power x plus 15 to the power x divided by 9 to the power x equals to 25 to the power x divided by 9 to the power x. Okay, then 9 by 9 whole to the power x plus 15 by 9 whole to the power x equals to 25 by 9 whole to the power x. That's happened because with the formula, this formula, a to the power m by b to the power m equals to a by b whole to the power m equals to, that's 9 and 9 goes cancel, it's 1 and it's 3, it's 3 5 ja 15 plus 5 by 3 whole to the power x, and it is 25 can be written as 5 square and 9 can be written as 3 square whole to the power x, and then 1 plus 5 by 3 whole to the power x equals to 5 by 3 whole to the power 2x. And now we know the formula that a to the power m whole to the power n can be also written as a to the power n whole to the power m. And now that will be 1 plus 5 by 3 whole to the power x equals to 5 by 3 whole to the power x to the power 2. Now let 5 by 3 whole to the power x equals to a. Now the equation converted to 1 plus a equals to a square. Then a square minus a minus 1 equals to 0. We get a square minus a minus 1 equals to 0. Comparing this equation with a x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, c equals minus 1. And now a equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now putting the value equals to minus b minus of minus 1 plus minus root over minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 into 1 equals to 1 plus minus root over 1 plus 4 by 2 equals to 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. A1 equals to 1 plus root 5 by 2. A2 equals to 1 minus root 5 by 2. Okay then. And we have let that 5 by 3 whole to the power x equals to a. So putting that value here, 5 by 3 whole to the power x equals to 1 plus root 5 by 2. And here putting the value 5 by 3 whole to the power x equals to 1 minus root 5 by 2. As 5 by 3 is positive, 5 by 3 whole to the power x will be also positive. Here we can see this will be negative. So this solution is rejected. So from here we get 5 by 3 whole to the power x equals to 1 plus root 5 by 2. Taking log both sides, log 5 by 3 whole to the power x equals to log 1 plus root 5 by 2. And now from the formula log a to the power b equals to b log a, x log 5 by 3 equals to log 1 plus root 5 by 2, and then x equals to log 1 plus root 5 by 2 by log 5 by 3, and that also can be written as log 1 plus root 5 by 2 base 5 by 3, and we get the value of x here. If you enjoy the video, do like and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Thank you.